If you're a growing business and your copy sounds like every other company in your space, it's a dangerous place to be. This channel is your shortcut to brand voice strategy, copywriting, and AI automation that turns words into revenue. This channel is for founders building their first marketing team who need copy that differentiates, for marketing managers in companies scaling who need to do more with less, and anyone who knows their copy should be working harder to win customers, especially if you have an AI copywriting strategy. Here's what I see in fast-growing businesses. Your messaging doesn't stand out from competitors. Your website copy fails to convert leads. Your brand voice is inconsistent across channels. And you've got limited marketing budget, but you need maximum ROI. And AI just seems to mass produce beige whenever you use it for content for your brand. This is what Channel fixes. I share copywriting frameworks, channels, sales psychology tactics, and AI tools that help fast-growing businesses scale content without losing their brand's personality. Here's what you'll learn. Brand voice strategy that scales with your business so every piece of content sounds like you. Conversion copywriting powered by sales psychology so your copy connects with customers and drives action. And AI copywriting techniques and automations so your content sounds like you and thinks like a copywriter. Plus real founder stories and case studies from high growth companies and copywriting frameworks you can use immediately. I'm a sales copywriter with a background in psychology, and I've taught over 40,000 people how to write persuasive copy through my online courses. Now I help founders and marketing teams to train their AI to write copy that thinks like a copywriter and sounds like your brand. Whether you're a founder still in the weeds writing copy yourself, or a marketing manager producing content without a huge team behind you. So, if you're building a fast-growing business and you're tired of copy that sounds like everyone else, if you want to learn how to write conversion copy with psychology, and if you need practical AI tools that help you scale content without losing your voice, you are in the right place. Hit subscribe now. I'll teach you how to turn words into sales for your business. Let's make your copy work harder. I'm Anne. I'll see you in the next video.